Just let me share with you one experience.
They were deeply touched by that.
Impact seeing the first patient has never left me.
Power of love or concern or sympathy for those affected population. I consider this one as the most powerful driving force for policy making, for people to take issues to the highest level.
والله ولدي المرض ده أصعب مما تخذ لك حرب والله مرض حار شديد والله.
This disease is more painful than going through war. At least in war, there is hope for peace or escape from the battle without any injuries. See my child, who I should be supporting. Yet, see how he is the one supporting me.
This is my father. Right now I'm carrying him, but he's supposed to be carrying me.
ibibazo natewe n'iyi ndwara byanshenguye umutima. The consequences of this disease are engraved in my heart.
Presenting my research findings to try and influence people to have a different understanding of what actually goes into the making of policy.